Welcome to the YouTube channel Geopolitical Tech Updates. On this channel we update you on the latest innovations and advancements in technology from a geopolitical perspective. Today, we're discussing the recent export restrictions that the Netherlands is planning to introduce, specifically on chip-making technology for China. /n/n The increasing tensions between the US and China has prompted the administration of US President Joe Biden to impose export restrictions on its superpower rival, to limit the potential development of technology which could be used for militarization and human rights abuses. The US has subsequently put pressure on its global allies to do the same, and the Netherlands is just one of the countries to agree. /n On Wednesday, the Dutch government posted more information on its plans, focusing on advanced chip manufacturing technologies such as the most advanced deposition and immersion lithography tools. The restrictions will affect the manufacture of advanced logic and DRAM modules. /n The Dutch Trade Minister Liesje Schrijnemacher commented on the situation, saying that the Netherlands considered the technological developments and geopolitical context when developing the restrictions. The statement mentioned that the restrictions would be applied to very specific technologies within the semiconductor production cycle, and mentioned that it was necessary for international security grounds that this technology be regulated. /n One of the leading global manufacturers of semiconductor manufacturing equipment, Netherlands-based ASML, commented on the new export controls. They said that export controls will require ASML to apply for export licenses for advanced immersion DUV technology which is used to create semiconductors, and which will affect the production of advanced logic and DRAM modules. /n The US-China chip war could be dangerous for global enterprises, as disruption to the supply chain of semiconductors being manufactured could affect a range of technology and consumer goods. ASML, however, stated that they don't expect the measures to have a material effect on their financial outlook for 2023. /n Meanwhile, China is looking to invest an additional $1.9 billion in Yangtze Memory Technologies, its biggest memory chip producer. It's clear that China is looking to reduce its reliance on other countries for chip-making technology and in order to boost its domestic semiconductor industry, which is currently being cramped by US sanctions. /n In summary, the Dutch government is moving forward with plans to implement new export restrictions on advanced chip-making technologies to China, which are expected to have an effect on the production of advanced logic and DRAM modules. The US pressure on global allies has been a major factor in this decision, and while the US-China chip war threatens global supply chains, China is investing heavily in its domestic semiconductor industry. It will be interesting to track how this industry develops in light of the new restrictions, particularly as China increases its investments in chip-making technology. Thank you for watching Geopolitical Tech Updates, and don't forget to follow us for more news on tech from around the world.